Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to chat or call with ChatGPT on your Android or in your iPhones. So you can directly call to the ChatGPT to access voice assistant from the ChatGPT. So for now guys, this feature is only available for US based members only. So you can contact the ChatGPT for 15 minutes per month only. Okay, so this is the limited. So for Indian or other country user, this calling feature is not available. So if you are watching this video from the US, so just you need to dial this number and simply connect the call. Okay, for the other users guys, you have the feature to chat directly with the ChatGPT using the WhatsApp. So just note down this number and save it to your contact book, and then open the WhatsApp and simply search the ChatGPT, and then here you can easily able to access the ChatGPT on your WhatsApp. Just send your messages and it will suddenly quickly responds to you, as you can see guys in my screen. So this is the way to use the ChatGPT calling feature and use the ChatGPT on your WhatsApp. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.